In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Google Flow. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right inside Google Flow, and you want to click on your profile icon here of your Google account. So I'm going to click on that, and then you want to click on Manage Membership. Now, when you do this, it's going to open a separate tab on your browser where you basically have to click on your profile icon in the top right again. And when you click on it, you want to click on Manage Your Google Account. Now, make sure you're doing this for the account you are actually using inside Google Flow. So as you can see, my language right now is English. We're now going to change it, for example, to German. So I'm going to go back to over here, and inside your Google account, you'll see that you can go to personal info, and inside personal info, you will find language. So I'm going to click on language over here, and then here you can select your preferred language, or what I usually do is just click on add another language, and I go and search it up. So I'm going to type in German. I'm going to click on over here, and I'm going to select over here and click on save. Now, whenever you do this, you want to go to other languages, and the language you now want to use and actually change to inside Google Flow and your entire Google account as well, because this is going to change the language of your entire Google account. You want to go and click on the arrow up to make this your preferred language, and there we go. It's going to restart, and as you can see, everything here is already in German. Then you want to go back to Google Flow. You want to restart it by clicking the refresh button on your website. And as you can see here, it already is saying this in German. We have everything here in German. So I can go to the top, it's German. I can click on a project over here, and everything inside here is going to be in German, okay? Now, if something isn't in German, it means it basically didn't translate yet. So you can just go ahead and just click on the refresh button up top, and now it should put everything in German, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. That's how to change language. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.